If you rely on your Apple Watch to track your cardio fitness or measure your VO2 max, then you might encounter a problem where your VO2 max doesn't work. This can be quite frustrating, but don't worry. I am here to help you fix it. In this video, I'll explain what VO2 max is and why your Apple Watch VO2 max is not working. I will also provide you with easy steps to resolve the issue of VO2 max not working on the Apple Watch. So let's get started without any delay. If your Apple Watch VO2 max is not working, then there could be a few reasons for this issue. Let's go through them. Make sure your Apple Watch has the latest software updates installed. Check for any available updates and install them. Ensure that you have set up your cardio fitness level on your Apple Watch. This step is necessary for accurate VO2 max tracking. VO2 max is best measured during outdoor activities that involve high intensity, such as running, cycling, or hiking. Indoor exercises may not provide accurate results. Make sure you are doing the right exercises for VO2 max tracking. Check if you have enabled fitness tracking and health access on both your Apple Watch and iPhone. This allows data sharing between the devices, and without it, your VO2 max may not work properly. Certain medications can affect your heart rate, which can impact the measurement of your VO2 max. If you are taking any medications, then they might be influencing the results on your Apple Watch. In the previous section, we discussed why your VO2 max measurement and cardio fitness tracking might not work correctly on your Apple Watch. Now let's focus on how you can fix these issues on your own. Make sure to check your Apple Watch. If it is running on an older software version, then you should update it. Updating to the latest software will allow you to collect VO2 max data between your devices correctly. Here's how you can update the software. Open the Apple Watch app on your phone. Look for and select My Watch. Tap on General. Choose Software Update. Select Download and Install. Alternatively, you can update the Apple Watch software directly on your watch. Tap on Settings on your Apple Watch. Then tap on General. Next, choose Software Update. Finally, tap on Download and Install. Before tracking your cardio fitness or VO2 max, you need to set up your cardio fitness level in your Health app on your iPhone. Follow these steps for setup. Open Health app on your iPhone. Next, select Browse. Tap on Heart. Then tap on Cardio Fitness. Follow directions and complete this setup. To measure your cardio fitness score or VO2 max accurately, select outdoor activities such as running, walking, or hiking. Make sure your Apple Watch is securely worn on your wrist and open the workout app to start tracking. It is important to note that indoor exercises like cycling won't calculate your VO2 max. You need to give all access to both devices to record or share tracking data. You need to enable fitness tracking and health in both Apple Watch and iPhone, and follow these simple steps to enable tracking. Open Settings, tap on Privacy, select Motion and Fitness. Finally, allow all permissions to complete the process. Now open the Watch app on your iPhone and follow these steps. Select My Watch, tap on Privacy, enable fitness tracking and heart rate. If you have tried everything but you still can't track your VO2 max on your Apple Watch, then reach out to Apple support. They will help you figure out what's wrong and guide you on how to fix the issue. In conclusion, troubleshooting your Apple Watch's VO2 max issues is possible. Update your software, set up cardio fitness levels, choose the right exercises, enable fitness tracking and health access, and reach out to Apple support if needed. With these steps, you will be on track to accurately measure your VO2 max. So stay active and achieve your fitness goals with your Apple Watch. Thank you for joining us. If you liked the video, then share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already for such amazing videos on wearable technology.